Hi, it's Randall from Marine Jones with this week's tips and tricks. Today we're going to follow up on last week's safety gear and look a little bit more into life rafts. Okay, commonly what you'll see on Rivieras and the likes are two different types of life rafts. Normally you'll find them as a hard case mounted to the foredeck. Today we're going to talk about another option. Okay, our second option is a portable type life raft. Now this particular one here, and there's many different brands and different types, and they can come for 4 people, 6 people, 8 people and more. However, this particular one we're talking about today is for 4 people. This 4-person life raft here is only packed for 24 hours. Now we're finding in most cases these days, travelling up the east coast, 24 hours is plenty of time to be floating around on a life raft. If you've got the rest of your safety devices on board, your EPIRB, your VHF, sometimes satellite, phones and so forth, you should be fine for 24 hours floating around in one of these. Now you can buy this life raft from your local chandlery. You just tell them what you want it for, how many people you want it for, but the idea is to have it nice and light and easy for other people to operate. Okay, so that's a great option to add to your safety gear on your Riviera. I hope you enjoyed the information and we'll see you on the next one.